Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract music from Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to separate a track you made into clean, usable parts, so you can mix, remix, or edit with more control. This is helpful if you want to adjust the vocals, make an instrumental version, create a remix, or bring your Suno track into another editing software for more detailed production. Stems are individual components of a song, like vocals, drums, a stem, some bass, and instruments. Extracting stems lets you adjust volumes, apply effects, or create karaoke and instrumental versions without affecting the whole mix. For example, you could lower the vocals, boost the drums, remove the vocal completely for a backing track, or use only the instrumental for a video project. Start by opening Suno AI in your browser or app and log into your account. Being signed in ensures you can access your creations and use credits for processing. Make sure you're using the same account where the song was originally generated, because your library and available credits are connected to that account. Once you're in, head straight to the library. This is where all of your generated tracks live, including different versions and edits. If you have a lot of content, give the page a moment to load so everything displays correctly. The library is also useful because it keeps your generations organized, so you can compare different versions before deciding which one is worth extracting. Find the track you created that you want to separate. Double-check the title, date, and version so you're working with the right take, especially if you've generated multiple iterations. When you've located it, look for the three dots menu on that track's card or row. This menu holds additional tools related to the selected track. Taking a few seconds to confirm the exact version can save you from spending credits on the wrong track. Click the three dots and choose Edits, then select Get Stems. This opens the stem extraction options. You'll see two choices: extract all detected stems for 50 credits, or extract only vocal and instrumental. This is where you decide how much control you need over the track before processing it. The All Stems option attempts to separate elements like vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments into individual files, which is ideal if you plan to do detailed mixing or remix work. It costs 50 credits because it's more intensive and gives you more parts to work with. This option is best when you want to rebuild the track, adjust specific sections, add new effects, or blend certain parts into a new production. The vocal and instrumental option typically produces just two files, an isolated vocal track and a backing instrumental. It uses fewer resources and is perfect for quick karaoke versions, acapellas, or simple edits. This is a great choice if your main goal is to remove the vocals, use the vocals separately, or create a clean background version for content, covers, or practice. Pick the option that matches your goal and the credits you have available. If you're unsure, start with vocal and instrumental to test the result. Then return for full stems when you need deeper control. This is a smart approach because it helps you check how clean the separation sounds before spending more credits on a full stem extraction. Once you've chosen, click Extract. Suno AI will process the request. This may take a bit depending on the track length and server load. Keep the tab open until it finishes to avoid interrupting the job. While it processes, avoid refreshing the page or clicking away too quickly, because you want the extraction to complete properly. When the extraction completes, your separated audio files will be associated with that track as stems. From there, you can bring them into your preferred audio editor, align them at the start of the timeline, and mix confidently. If anything looks off, repeat the process with a different option to suit your project's needs. Once you have the stems, you can experiment with volume balancing, effects, remix ideas, or even create different versions of the same song for different platforms.